So inside of your reports, what you can also do is you can insert out shapes as you like and then modify them. So for that, you need to go around onto the report design tab right over here on the top. And over here, you can see that shapes is an option. So you need to go around and click on the shapes, and you can see that there's various shapes that you can bring in from the choices that you see right here. For example, you can go around and bring in this heart shape, and this is what you have right here. You can use the corner pins to resize out the shape, or use this icon, click and drag on this icon to rotate it around. You can also go around onto the shape format and then choose different color presets as you like right here. Or you can go around and change out the color fill, the shape fill right here, the shape outline, and even apply out the different effects that you like right here. And they will be applied over here just like this. You can go around over here and choose another shape right here just like this and draw out another shape over here as well. And that is what you have. You can go around and bring in different shapes as you can see just like this. So there are arrows over here as well. And with different shapes, you might get these yellow dots as well, which allows you to adjust out the shapes that you bring in further as well. So that is how you can go around and bring that around as well. So you can select out these shapes and then you can go around onto, let's say for example, the theme styles right here and choose the ones you like right here to apply the theme. There's also some ones that are transparent, as you can see right here, which are transparent. And this is how you can bring in shapes as you like and then get the look of the report the way you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe